this property, as you enter, this is the living hall, an open kitchen concept here. So this kitchen again, this is the master bedroom of the. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a lovely project called the Sri Balaji Orion Heights, which is located off Sarjapur Road. And before I give you more details about this project, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from the brokers by directly connecting you with the developer. So if you wish to buy your dream home, what are you waiting for? Do connect with us at Housey and book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So right now I'm standing at the actual location of the Sri Balaji Orion Heights. As you can see, this is a road that connects to the property, which is located off Sarjapur Road, and right behind me is the apartment which is under construction. And now I'm going to give you a tour of the sample flat. So I'm going to give you the project overview of Sri Balaji Orion Heights, and this property is spread across a land parcel of 2 acres and is located close to the Sarjapur main road. And this property comprises of 3 BHK apartments. So now coming to the location, this property is located off Sarjapur Road in Kodati, Sarjapur Road. You can see this is the neighborhood of the property. This is the actual location that we are at. Now coming to the connectivity, this property is about 5 minutes from Sarjapur Road, 5 minutes from Wipro Kodati, 10 minutes from RGA Tech Park, and about 30 minutes from Bellandur. This property boasts of 10 plus amenities, which includes a clubhouse, swimming pool, terrace garden, kids play area, etc. So hello and welcome to the Balaji Orion Heights. I'm going to give you a tour of this lovely 3 BHK property. Come on in. So this property, as you enter, this is the living hall. This 3 BHK flat is spread across 1520 square feet. As you can see, you have a nice living space here, which again comfortably accommodates 4 to 6 seater seating arrangement. Right opposite to this is your television cabinet and area here. Now as we move ahead here, we have a nice large dining table, which again comfortably accommodates it comes with a 6-seater seating capacity. There's a lot of natural light and ventilation coming in here from the balcony area right here. But before we go to the balcony area, right next to the dining area, we have the cabinets here for your storage space to store your cutlery, dining sets, etc. And right here we have a nice balcony with the view of the road outside. So this is right next to the dining area as you go in. An open kitchen concept here. So this kitchen again has a lot of natural light and ventilation. You have the sink area here. You have the area with all the cabinets placed on top and bottom, and on the other side as well. The cabinets here and cabinets on top. It's a nice compact cute open kitchen. There is a nice utility space here where you can store your maybe a dishwasher or add an extra sink here. And now we've covered the living area, we've covered the dining area and the kitchen. So let's move to the first bedroom in 3 BHK. But before that, we have a common bathroom area here with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. So right next to it is the first bedroom. This bedroom can be used as a kid's bedroom, which accommodates a nice queen size bed. A lot of natural light from the balcony here. It has attached balcony as well. And right next to this is the wardrobe space with nice 2 large wardrobes. There's enough storage space. Even though the room is slightly compact, they've utilized the space pretty well. And right here, this side is the dressing area. is the dressing area. Now let's move to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is right across the first bedroom, which again is, it has enough space to accommodate a queen size bed, enough space for 2 side tables. This place also has a dressing mirror and table and nice 2 large wardrobes. There are these large French windows here for a lot of natural light. And here we go to, so right behind me you have the little space here. This can be utilized however you like. And right behind me is the master bedroom. But before I give you more details about the master bedroom, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey will give you an actual tour of the flat. Housey will give you an actual tour of the location. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this property. Housey will explain to you about the pricing options available, that includes the EMI and the down payment options available. And Housey will give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the location. So if you like the property so far, do book a free site visit with us at Housey by clicking on the link below. Come on in, let's have a look at the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom of the Balaji Orion Heights. This again comfortably accommodates a queen size bed with 2 side tables. You have nice 2 large wardrobes also given, and you have a little tucked in study space here with added cabinets. And this master bedroom again has an attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. So this was the tour of the 3 BHK sample flat of Balaji Orion Heights. If you like this property, do not forget to book a free site visit by clicking on the link below. Or if you want more details about this project, do not forget to click on the link below and download the e-brochure. So if you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.